My name's Morfydd and I'm playing the role of Anya Rain, and she is Rainy's daughter. My character at the start of the play has just dragged her mum back from London to Pembroke, and so we've had a long, rather stressful train journey and then finally get home, and then the whole kind of play begins. I think she's quite free-spirited, quite daring, very independent, though I don't think she realises how much she's kind of supported, but she definitely feels like she's very much carving her own path in the world. And she's very just naughty and fun. I think Anya and Rainy are quite similar. Anya's just so in awe of her and kind of, I think, tries to emulate her quite a lot.